how to fix FIFA games not working on your PC. So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can easily fix the FIFA games not working on your devices. So first thing, simply make sure you go to any of your FIFA games, inside its config. Make sure just inside your game settings, just make sure you have everything's set up according to your device. So if you don't know how to check your device RAMs, it's or things like that, you just need to simply click on this PC icon over here and simply click on the properties, and you can see the RAM usage and CPU core, gigahertz, like this processor and everything else on your device like this. And or what it's you can also do is simply click on this icon at the run command prompt command from here and simply hit enter and wait for some time, and as you can see, it also show everything related to your display and system settings like this. So once you do that, simply come out to your game setting over here, and as you can see, I've already opened it. You simply need to adjust it accordingly to your profile of your PC, and once you do that, what I want you to do is simply click on any of your games.exe file and simply click on properties and simply click on compatibility and simply click accordingly. If you are using Windows 10 11, simply hit the, if it's not working, if it's showing you error or if it's crashing, simply click on this and either select Windows 8 or Windows 7 and simply click on this option as well and hit the apply button and hit OK, and that should do it. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.